Hey y'all, so I am heading to the gym. It is 8:50 p.m. Y'all know I work out pretty much at nighttime because it's just easier for me with my schedule. Even though I'm on spring break right now, I just had a lot going on today. So I just took off my makeup and everything so I can go to the gym, work out, come back home, take a shower, eat some dinner, call it a day. Another busy day tomorrow. I'm trying to get some stuff done, y'all know. But it's my little gym outfit for today. Just this little pink top. Got my sweat belt on and these blue leggings. So we're about to go. I'm actually about to pack up a backpack because I want to record today's video. So I don't want to carry my camera walking, and it's raining outside, so I have to drive my car. I still have this in here. So my key. Let's go work this out real quick, y'all. All right, see you at the gym.